Proposing is uncomplicated. First, have a girlfriend. Choose meaningful location, somewhere special to her or special to both of you, not special to just you. Yeah, you, sportsman. Choose audience, could be public with family, friends, or strangers, or private with just her. Choose date and time of day. Get a photographer, either friend or professional. The pro of friends is excitement. The con of friends is not pro. The pro of pros is pro. The con of pros is expensive. Be manipulated into becoming emotionally attached to a rock. Choose where rock comes from, you can't see the difference. Choose rock without color, you can't see the difference. Choose rock without specks, you can't see the difference. I know this because I labeled all those diamonds wrong, and you didn't notice. Or did I? Choose rock size, you kinda see the difference if you spend money. Choose rock shapes, you can see the difference if you know shapes. Choose metal that holds rock. Choose how metal holds rock. Choose tinier rocks on metal that holds bigger rock. Get ring size. Have enough money for the ring. Secure the ring. Get her parents to approve. Get your parents to approve. But now she knows it's coming. So do a fake proposal. Brian will not be held liable for any loss of relationship or life. Keep calm on real proposal day. Steal her shoes, dress, and makeup. Arrive at the spot. Get on one knee. Black out. Say some words, show affection, give her ring, feel invincible, change clothes, take more pictures, announce to friends, and now you plan a wedding with your fiancé.